So good evening everyone, my name is Satvik Sinha and I am from KIT Bhubaneswar pursuing BTech in Computer Science, and past 2 months ago I enrolled in this EFA batch to improve my communication skills. So today I will be speaking on a very crucial and a life-changing topic, which is embracing the changes in your life. So what do we first understand the meaning from the term change? So a change, in my perspective, a change is an unpredictable and uncertain moment which came out of nowhere, out of the blue, and we have to deal with it emotionally and physically, and it just requires a lot of our attention and consumes a lot of our energy. So but I would like to say that as we grow up, our perspective changes towards this, because now I realize that the changes are my faithful partner of my life. Changes is a constant companion of a life, and it helps us and give us the opportunities to growth and self-discovery in an uncharted territories which are not aware by me. Throughout my life, I have came across or encountered a lot of instances where the changes come knock at my door and start asking for my attention. Younger me doesn't like it. I try to avoid it, retaliate it, or I would say I try to stop it in any way possible, because I love my cozy, familiar and predictable environment. But when I grew up, I realized that I was wrong. I need to change my perspective, and then I understand that the changes are not my adversity but my path to the fulfillment. So I overcame a lot of challenges, and whenever a new challenge came, I made sure that I get out of my comfort zone, deal with this problem with full responsibility, and to improve myself. It's not the changes but the teachings which I get from this. Instead of fearing from the changes, I started looking them as a gateway to new experiences and new perspectives for my life. I like to discuss an instance about my life. Like, I used to remember that I have to go to a new city or a new territory after every 4 to 5 years, and it was really hectic task because I have to meet new people, to enroll in a new school, make new friends, and it was really hard and a hefty task for me, I would say. But slowly I realized that I do need someone to help me, and I do need to talk with my teachers. So instead of looking it as a setback, I started looking it as an opportunity, and eventually with my consistent effort, I made a lot of new friends, and I was in the good books of my teachers. So it's true that embracing the changes is hard, and the failure and the success are everywhere. It's involved every time. I never let failure define me. I always overcome those failures. If I didn't overcome, then I would to learn from those failures. I try to analyze where did I lag and how can I improve. It really was helpful for building my strong mindset to find a path for my growth and self-discovery. Embracing the changes are sure hard, but we cannot stop. We have to look forward. We have to get outside our comfort zone and to try to get more and more new experiences and new perspectives to just overcome the new challenges which will be happening in our life later on. Thank you.